When I decided to help them, akala ko lilinisin na yung pangalan ng tatay nila. Para maalala lang ating kababayan, gusto ko lang ipaalala, dahil siguradong babanatan na naman ako, might as well. Dapat lilinisin ang pangalan ng tatay nila.
And you're showing to us
this record.
Guinness World Record gives Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Ano nakalagay dito? A title for the greatest robbery of government.
Nakakaya po ito. Kaya akala ko nililisin na nila. At wag natin kalimutan, naging senador din si BBM, the same, hindi nagbago. He was na-demanda rin ng plunder. Plunder.
Ito po yung, so this is what you were talking about, na hindi niya pa na-clear niya yung connection niya with Napoles. This was back in 2016. Nagkaroon ng plunder charges against then Senator Bongbong Marcos.
Si Napoles nakulong na. Si Bongbong wala pa.